Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have the most epic nail tutorial, probably my favorite one I've ever done. And that's saying a lot because I've done quite a few, not like someone who does nails like every day. I do my own nails, but like holy moly, I am staring at them now because believe it or not, I'm actually editing this while I'm wearing them. Like I filmed this today, so that's how excited I am about this. So you could see that I took Crystal and now I am taking Grace Kelly, and Grace Kelly is so great because we are going to actually put the quote unquote like scales over this and we hand draw them. That's right, we hand draw them. They're not perfect, but you know what? I'm perfect enough. No, I'm totally kidding. Yeah, so Grace Kelly has a pink undertone in the gel, as you would have seen when I took it off. So it's like super light. And okay, so I was gonna go naked. My nails were gonna be naked, so I built up my nails a little bit. You can see that they're already pretty like there's already a clear base down. If you're doing these normal, do not have your nails built up and just do like one step over and like embed things. I had everything on top, which is fine. Like my nails turned out fine and they are still very lovely, but I probably could have gotten away with, although maybe not the shell. I don't know. You guys have seen plenty of my tutorials or tutorials in general. Like, you guys pretty much know what to do. You just want to watch me do the design. So I am just taking these Mylar flakes, and I believe this is one of the ones that I recently got. I don't know. They're from AliExpress, and they came in like a 6-pack, and there were like 3 different packs. I feel like I included it in a haul. If I did, I will link it below. If not, then I will haul these because they are worth being hauled, and go try to find out as much detail as possible. Literally go on AliExpress and look up Mylar flakes and you'll find all different kinds. So again, we are taking perfect white. Oh, I guess this is the first time you're seeing it on here, but if you're with my channel a lot, you know that this is practically in every single tutorial. Yeah, so we are taking this buttercream and putting it all over the nail. And I have said this before, I find it a little bit harder to film and do my own nails. I do my best. So we're coming in with a second coat here, and second coats always make me so happy. And I am leaving this in real time. Like I said, most of the things throughout the tutorial are real time because I know you guys like that. I feel like I say that in every video. I'm probably really annoying. And I just need to like find a hobby. Although I guess technically nails are my hobby, right? So yeah, we are going to paint this guy, and then we're also going to paint the ring finger, which will be that shell. So I will let you watch that. All right, now that we had 2 coats on both of those, we're coming in with the shell. I went ahead, so this brush is from Selena Ryden. It's the longer one, stripey, is that what it's called? But I literally dip it straight into the buttercream. I'm using the same one. You don't have to, you can, you know, you could have done this differently and done like clear, although clear would probably be really hard to see. Although you could do it in builder gel. I thought about doing it in builder gel and then doing glitter instead of just the like chromey flake thing. You know what I mean? Like the You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, you know. So I will let you watch this. I keep the shell all in real time because I feel like this one, I mean, it gets repetitive, don't get me wrong, but like, I don't know, I think real time and cleaning up my mistakes is real life. So I'll let you watch this. All right, let's bring you close up to that shell, and you can see it is all puffy, and the top coat fixes any imperfections, don't worry. So I'm going to be taking marshmallow and putting it all over that Mylar nail, and you're probably like, oh my God, what are you doing? I know, I had that when I first did it, and I was like, oh, am I making a mistake? But I'm not. Like, I wanted it to be kind of like an opal, so I thought it would be perfect to do this. I've seen other people do this and it looks awesome. And I'm like, oh, I wish I could do that. Meaning like, I wish I could like actually cover Mylar because I'm one of the people that wants all the glitter at all times as much as possible. So yeah, I put this over it and then I actually file this. So I fast forward through the filing because then it'll take forever. And then I go ahead and top coat and then I'll catch you back. Okay, this was given to me. It's in whatever this is, number 3, which is like the pinky one. So I went ahead and did a no wipe top coat on the middle and the shell finger. But I'm using 2 different chromes. You don't have to. You could use the pearl chrome for both. Or like I said, you could do the glitter for the shell instead. I did chrome powder, that one. And then that one is a pearl powder. So it like keeps the same color, but it just makes it pearl, which I could have done for the white as well, but I wanted the hints of pink in the white nail. So that's why I went with 2 different ones, but I didn't want, like I wanted the pearl for the shell. I don't know. My mind was set on 2 different ones, and so I did 2 different ones, but it's okay. are taking tack and just doing the edges to keep those chromes on as long as possible. And then we are going to do some top coat, so I will let you watch that. Oh yeah, and we're just applying glitter and top coating that as well on the thumb. So I will let you actually just watch that entire thing. So I lied. You'll see me back in like 5 minutes. Not really, like 2. Now we're putting crystals on. So I am taking one step. I took too much. I knew I took too much and I should have just like taken part of it off. But you know, sometimes committing, and this is in 2-speed, by the way. I don't know if I had said that. And I am just placing it down. I forgot to turn the focus off. At least during my hand painting, I turned off the focus, like the autofocus. And I just place these two. So I'm using a light pink AB and then just normal AB on the sides. And I'm taking just a smaller striping brush. I think it's called Shorty. I think that's what that one's called. And just, you know, fading that down. All right, here's the shell. And I hand painted this, and I hand painted it on my left hand, meaning my non-dominant hand. No, I mean my right hand. This is my left hand. I painted it with my left hand on my non-dominant hand, and well, I'm gonna tell you, it took a little bit longer than it did on this one. So I'm going to let you watch this because literally I am just arching the brush one way and then arching it back the other and kind of connecting the two arches, meaning like the two directions to make that arch. All right, applying cuticle oil, and this finishes it up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.